expressing a ratio as a fraction. If I look at some of the examples here, and I've done roughly every fifth one, the first one says there's one red apple and two green apples. In order to solve this problem, I need to know how many apples there are in total. If it's a splitting ratio of 1 to 2, that means there will be 3 apples in total, which means 1/3 of the apples will be red and 2/3 of the apple will be green. For question 5, if I look at lemonade and orange juice, if it's split in the ratio 13 lemons to 7 parts orange juice, I need to find the total. 13 and 7 adds to 20, so it's 13/20 and 7/20. Question 5 says, can I express not in the fraction form but as a percentage? So I need to multiply both numbers by 100 to get 65% lemon, 35% orange. Question 10 says, if 14% of the people surveyed are left-handed, express that as a ratio. Well, that means 86 must be right, and then I can simplify and half both numbers to get 7 to 43 as my ratio. Again, the order is important. If question 13 brings me into apples, I've got 3/4 of the apples are red, which means if it's only red and green, 1/4 of the apples must be green. So it's 3/4 and 1/4. To get rid of the fraction, I times both sides by 4. So the ratio of red to green apples will be 3 to 1. Looking at the first apply question, Bethany and Summer, well, it tells us how long they work. So if I've had to subtract when they started to when they finished, so I know that Bethany did 6 hours, Summer did 8 hours. The units are the same. So the idea is, how do I write that a ratio in its simplest form? Well, the idea are fractions, 6 to 8. So what I've got there is, I've got 6 out of 14 and 8 out of 14, because 6 and 8 adds up to 14, or 3/7 and 4/7. Okay.